Hello, I am Dr. Anushdeep. I am a radiation oncologist. Now I am associated with Cancer Centers of America, Amritsar. Together we can fight against the cancer. What is cancer? Cancer is a disease in which some of body cells grow unregulated. What are the risk factors for cancer? Cancer is a complex disease. Some known or suspected factors associated with cancer are age, alcohol, tobacco, obesity, diet, highly chronic inflammation, radiation exposure, and hormones. What is cancer screening? Cancer screening is a process of detection of cancer before development of any symptom. Main purpose of cancer screening is early detection and early treatment.